That's where you and I differ, Sarabhai. Pros and cons, moral obligations. सही और गलत को measure करते रहोगे ना, तो जो opportunity है, वो निकल जाएगी.
Mr. Sarabhai, so experiment 4.
Mr. Sarabhai seems to be a little preoccupied today.
The train is leaving the station, my friend. Are you on it? Or have you been left behind?
I need to go.
What?
You mean now?
The train is leaving the station, my friend, and I need to be on it.
Well, you must then, I guess.
Can't wait for things to just happen to me, right? I'm so sorry, sir. So sorry. I worked really hard on this thesis, on this dissertation, I mean. And I should be here. लेकिन इस वक्त मुझे जाना है.
Wherever that is, Mr. Sarabhai, I hope it's more important than your doctorate.
Yes.
Vikram, don't behave like homie.
कभी-कभी homie जैसा behavior भी जरूरी होता है, sir.
पाइते मुझे उनके.
And sir, sometimes we scientists just go with our instincts. I hope that answers your question. मृणालिनी,
विक्रम,
मुझे तुमसे बात करनी है.
मैं तुम्हें टेलीफोन करती हूँ.
नहीं, मुझे अभी बात करनी है मृणालिनी. I have to talk to you right now.
क्या हुआ विक्रम, जल्दी बोलो, ट्रेन का टाइम हो गया है.
I love you very much. I love how you make me feel. Everything about you. तुमसे सारी बातें पहले ही कह देनी चाहिए थी, लेकिन I can't let you go, मृणालिनी.
ये अचानक?
No, मृणालिनी, अचानक नहीं है. तुम्हें पता है, जब मैं तुम्हारे साथ होता हूँ, मुझे ऐसा लगता है मैं कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ. I feel like I can go anywhere, do anything. I can be someone. तुम्हारे लिए आज मैंने अपनी थीसिस प्रेजेंटेशन भी छोड़ दी. Such a fool for you. मत जाओ.